What's in there? Is that another puppy? Go get it. Go get it.
Singing background, and our first recording session was with James Darren for Capitol Records.
The song was?
I don't remember.
Go get it, Sammy. Get the puppy. Get the puppy.
These men and women, mostly women, the song recorded and you didn't get credit. You were in the Blossoms, but you also had hit singles for a group called the Crystals, for God's sake.
And that was because of Phil Spector. He owned the Crystals. They were already a group that was established in New York, and he heard my voice, and he wanted me to do singing. So he hired me as a background singer.
Right.
And I went in the studio, and the first song I recorded was He's a Rebel.
Right. He's a Rebel. It's a huge hit. So